Drew's standing there like nothing, and they're all... do not throw the bread around me, please.
Throw the bread around her. Throw the bread around her.
I was trying.
Do not...
Do it.
Don't throw the bread around. Okay. You guys can throw it to right there. Brandy. Throw it right there so I can get a real good one of them. Okay, that's a little too close.
They're not catching it. It's not my fault.
Let me see if I can catch it before they do. Ow! I don't have anything. You see up there?
Yeah, they're kind of vicious. You have bread laying all at your feet.
There, one of them scooped right there. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Well, they poop on me.
That's what I said. I got telephoto. I don't need to be so close.
I thought if they're bread in me, I looked down and it was dissolving really quickly. I'm like, that's cool.
Okay, do we have more bread in the car? We have any more bread?
That was the last one.
Yeah, another thing of crackers.
That was fun.
Dirty my butt is.
Yep. And now you got to ride home that way. There's her butt. See, big picture of her butt. Sandy bottom. There it is.
Sandy bottom. That's the squirrel.